Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to present in Google Meet. Whether we are sharing slides, teaching online, or leading a meeting, this tutorial is for us. Now, on our Google Meet dashboard, let's start a meeting as an example. We can start an instant meeting to follow along. Now, we have two simple options here. To share our screen, all we need to do is click the Share Screen button. This lets us present our projects and documents clearly in Google Meet. Once we click this button, our presentation will begin. From here, we need to choose what we want to share: a browser tab, an application window, or the entire screen. We just pick whatever works best for us. For example, let's select this application here, like Opera. As we can see, it will now start sharing our screen with everyone in the meeting. Now this is our presentation. It helps us clearly showcase our content during meetings. Participants will follow along much more easily with a prepared presentation in front of them. They will simply look at their screens and see exactly what we are sharing. The goal here is to help us use the presentation features in Google Meet to share our screen, browser tabs, and slides with other participants. This walks us through each step so we can present smoothly and professionally in any meeting.